Bonjour à toutes et à tous et bienvenue dans un nouvel épisode du podcast Learn to French. Je m'appelle Eden et j'enseigne le français. Hello and welcome to another episode on the Learn to French podcast. If you are new here, my name is Eden and I teach French. So, welcome to our weekly word study where we learn and analyze a specific word in French every week. Today's word is going to be appréhender. Before we start, make sure to click on the link in the description of this episode. That way you have everything with you. So the word appréhender in French is a first group verb. So we will be going through different aspects such as the meaning of this word and also how to conjugate the verb and how to construct sentences with that verb. So let's take a look at the meaning of the verb appréhender in French. You have three definitions here. The first one, considérer une chose comme dangereuse et en avoir peur. So this means that appréhender means considering something as dangerous and being afraid of it. This means that you are afraid of that thing or that situation. You are dreading it. For example, j'appréhende les examens. I am dreading the exams. The second definition, procéder à l'arrestation de quelqu'un, which means to proceed to the arrest of someone. For example, le suspect a été appréhendé par la police. The suspect was apprehended by the police. La troisième définition, the third definition, is saisir ou comprendre quelque chose, which means to grasp or understand something. For example, ceci me permet de mieux appréhender la situation globale. This gives me a better understanding of the overall situation. Let's go through the three definitions of this word, of this verb, appréhender. The first one, considérer une chose comme dangereuse et en avoir peur. So, to dread something. Second definition, procéder à l'arrestation de quelqu'un. To proceed to the arrest of someone. And third definition, saisir ou comprendre quelque chose. To grasp or understand something. Now, how do we conjugate the verb appréhender? So this verb is a first group verb and it's regular. This is how you are supposed to conjugate it in the present tense, le présent de l'indicatif. J'appréhende, tu appréhendes, il, elle, on appréhende, nous appréhendons, vous appréhendez, ils, elles appréhendent. So it's a regular verb, not too complicated to conjugate. How do we construct sentences with appréhender? So there are three ways. You can use appréhender and a noun. For example, elle appréhende la rentrée des classes. Appréhender plus noun. The second way to construct sentences is appréhender de and then infinitive verb. Appréhender de infinitive verb. Par exemple, j'appréhende de partir au travail aujourd'hui. And finally, for more advanced learners, you can use appréhender que and then subjunctive, subjonctif. Appréhender que plus subjonctif. Par exemple, Marie appréhende qu'il parte. Let's go through all of this again. Appréhender plus noun. Elle appréhende la rentrée des classes. Appréhender de plus infinitive verb. J'appréhende de partir au travail aujourd'hui. And finally, appréhender que plus subjunctive. Marie appréhende qu'il parte. Once again, make sure to click on the link in the description of this episode. That way you can read everything. Merci beaucoup d'être resté avec moi aujourd'hui. I hope you enjoyed this week's word. If you would like to check out more words, feel free to visit learntofrench.com. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Au revoir.